She picked there so the dare is to sing a popular song that she all know the words and post it on YouTube. So we're gonna do this right now and like and subscribe if you like it and thumbs up. Can you hold me in the Uy, huwag kang malikot nung gumagalaw yung video.